In Animal Town, the animals play and work together every day. On Monday, the rabbit hops. She makes a plan, she never stops. On Tuesday, the lion has fun. He checks the weather and sees the sun. On Wednesday, the penguin makes the food. He puts it on dishes. It's very delicious. Thursday, the elephant brings all of his things. Walking down the road, he happily sings. On Friday, the giraffe brings the flowers. She decorates the town for hours. On Saturday, the turtle stretches his neck, looking around to check that there is no mess. And then on Sunday, it is time for the animals to have a big party and laugh. In Animal Town, each day is fun. The animals work and get things done.